This 2021 Audi e-tron Sportback is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Audi is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, electric engine, and has 35,151 miles. Drive luxury and efficiency with a 2021 Audi e-tron Sportback. Your electrifying adventure awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.